Removing a system board assembly. Remove the top cover. Remove the air baffle or middle drive cage. Remove the system fan cage. If any of the following components are installed, remove them. Disconnect the cables from the system board assembly. Lift the two system board assembly lift handles at the same time. Slide the system board assembly towards the front of the chassis until it stops. Tilt and lift the system board assembly out of the chassis. Remove the micro SD card from the system I/O board. Remove the screws that secure the system I/O board. Pinch the handle on the I/O board and pull the I/O board outward to disengage it from the processor board.